Yesterday, on the last lecture, we have seen that was the end of the day, and suddenly there came a new customer, which was a strange one, and he challenged astrologer. Are you astrologer? That was something different question from the written customers, because this he saw this strange customer for the first time, who has asked him some different question, which was not the routine of his questions. So what happened later, we have to see. We are going to see now. If you find my answers satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? No. Or will you give me 8 annas? He demanded some money. If you find my answer satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? He demanded the fee of 5 rupees. Because he accepted it as a challenge. So he increased his fees. The other one, the customer, did not agree for that fees. Then he came down. Astrologer came down. And he asked, he said, will you give me 8 annas? Alright, provided you give me twice as a if you are wrong, said the stranger. But there was one condition. If the astrologer would be wrong, he would return that money twice as he demanded. This pact was accepted after a little or further argument. This pact means deal. This deal was accepted after some argument. काय आर्ग्युमेंट झाल्यावर हे डील accepted झाली, स्वीकारली गेली. accepted म्हणजे स्वीकारल्या झाली. The astrologer sent up the prayer to heaven as to the other literature route. Now astrologer started some prayer, because he pretended to be a good astrologer. So he pretended to do a prayer. For that time, other one lit a cheroot. Cheroot means we can say it as a cigarette, we can say it as a bidi, or something like that. He did the smoking. The astrologer caught a glimpse of his face by the matchlight. The astrologer lit the matchlight, and in that light, he saw the glimpse of the stranger, the client, because he was a good observer of psychology. We have seen that. He never answered the question until the other one speak for the 10 minutes. जोपर्यंत 10 मिनिट पर्यंत समोरचा बोलत नव्हता, तोपर्यंत तो आन्सर देत नव्हता, हे आपल्याला चांगल्या रीतीने माहित आहे. आता सुद्धा तो त्याचा अनालिसिस करण्यासाठी, सायकोलॉजिकल अनालिसिस करण्यासाठी, फेस रीडिंग करण्यासाठी, अंधार झालेला होता नॅचरली, मॅचलाइट लावली त्याने, म्हणजे आगपेटी लावली, मॅचलाइट म्हणजे आगपेटी, आणि त्याने त्याच्या प्रकाशामध्ये त्याचा चेहरा बघितला. There was a pause as a car scooted on the road. There was a pause. Jutka drivers swore at their horses, and a babble of the crowd agitated the semi-darkness of the park. He took a pause. He didn't start at once, because he understood all the psychology, he understood the sequences, he understood the consequences. काय परिणाम होते याचे त्याला माहित असते, त्याच्यामुळे तो थोड्या वेळ थांबतो. अनलेस देयर इज अ पॉज, अनलेस देयर इज अ सायलेन्स, त्या ठिकाणी लगेच हॉर्नच्या हुटिंगचा आवाज येतो कारच्या. जुटका ड्रायव्हर असतो, तो घोडेवाला असतो, घोडा टांग्यावाला, तो त्या ठिकाणी येतो, त्याचा आवाज असतो. देयर वॉज अ बॅबलिंग, द वर्ड यूज हियर, द बॅबल. बॅबल मीन्स अननेसेसरी साऊंड. जोपर्यंत अननेसेसरी साऊंड येत होता, तोपर्यंत त्यांनी थांबला होता. तो कोण? astrologer. The other sat down, sucking his cheroot, puffing out, sat ruthlessly. He smoked there, the customer smoked there, and sat ruthlessly. Ruthlessly म्हणजे निर्दयपणे त्या ठिकाणी तो थांबून होता. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. Due to this demanding nature of the customer, the astrologer also become uncomfortable. तो सुद्धा स्वतःला अनकम्फर्टेबल फील करत होता. ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर असा कस्टमर तर आजपर्यंत आपण बघितलेला नाही. हा विचित्र कस्टमर आहे. त्याच्यामुळे ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरला थोडंसं विचित्र वाटत होतं. Here, take your Anna back. I am not used such challenge. It is late for me today. Here, take your Anna back. That you have given me one Anna, 8 Anna, that I am refusing it. Refusing the challenge. I am not ready to accept your challenge. So take your Anna and go back from here. He made preparation to bundle up and he started to collected all his paraphernalia. त्याचा जमाजमा जो काही होता सामानाचा जो काही धंद्याचा तो सगळं उचलायसाठी त्यांनी सुरुवात केली. द अदर हेल्ड इज रिस्ट. पकडलं त्याचं एकदम रिस्ट पकडली, मनगट पकडली. And said, you can't get out of it now. You dragged me in while I was passing. No, you couldn't go from here. I am not allowing you to go. You sit here and answer my questions. त्याने जबरदस्तीने त्याचा घट्ट असा हात पकडला, मनगट पकडली. The astrologer shivered in his grip. इतकी जबरदस्त त्याची पकड होती की he was shivered, थरथर कापायला लागला. And his voice shook and became faint. Leave me today. His voice became faint. आज मला जाऊ दे, उद्या सांगतो. I will speak to you tomorrow. The other thrust his palm in his face and said, challenge is challenge, go on. The other said with a demanding voice, challenge is challenge, go on. Today you have to answer all such questions to me. आज तुला उत्तर द्यावं लागेल सर्व गोष्टीचे मला. Thus astrologer proceeded with his throat drying up. There is a woman. Astrologer started his routine answers. There is a woman who is behind, and there is a line. That he just wanted to proceed his line. But what happened there? Stop! Said the other. बिल्कुल चुप. जोरात ओरडला तो. Said the other. I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not? Tell me one thing. I don't want your all such questions, which is useless. I want to answer some questions. Tell me. Come to the point. Whether I am becoming successful in my present search or not. Answer this and go. You have to answer this and then after you can go to your home. Otherwise, I will not let you go till you discharge all your coins. Otherwise, I will not allow you to go. Until you have to discharge all your coins. Discharge, pour it out. रोजची जी कमाई केली आहे तू ते पूर्णच्या पूर्ण तुझ्या जवळचे असलेले पैसे घेतल्याशिवाय मी जाऊ देणार नाही. समजा तू माझ्या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर दिलं नाही तर. The astrologer muttered a few incantations and replied. He started again pretending. He muttered some incantations. Put चालू आहे त्याची काही मंत्र जाप चालू आहे. Incantations काही मंत्र म्हणतात. Incantations मंत्र म्हणणे, उच्चार नाही. All right, I will speak. He pretended that he could get some supernatural power due to these mantras. त्या मंत्रामुळे काही सुपरनॅशनल पॉवर येतो आपल्यामध्ये असं त्याला भास केला आणि तो बोलायला लागला. All right, I will speak, but will you give me rupee if what I say is convincing? Again, he put some conditions. Okay, I am ready to tell you, but you have to give me 1 rupees. Otherwise, I will not open my mouth. नाहीतर मी बोलणार नाही. And how may do what you like. तुला जे वाटते ते तू करून घे. मी त्यावेळेस ते ऐकणार नाही. तू मला 1 रुपया दिला पाहिजे. आपण या ठिकाणी बघत आहोत की ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर वारंवार त्याच्यासोबत बार्गेन करत आहे. त्याला संधीचा फायदा घेणे हे अत्यंत चांगल्या रीतीने माहीत आहे. कोण कसा आहे, कोण कसा नाही याचं त्याला नॉलेज आहे. ह्युमन सायकोलॉजीचं खूप छान नॉलेज आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे तो समोरच्याला पकडायचा प्रयत्न करतो. ह्या ठिकाणी पुन्हा त्यांनी कंडिशन ठेवली की मला तू पैसे दे, बस 1 रुपया. आफ्टर a good deal of haggling means bargaining, भावबाजी झाली. The other agreed. The astrologer said, "You are left for dead." Am I right? The astrologer said, "You are left for dead." तुला मरण्यासाठी सोडलेलं होतं, तू मरणारच होता. त्या ठिकाणी बोलतो तो. And tomorrow I am going to finish my lecture here. Tomorrow we shall see what happened next in the story.